Going camping? Alpcore's convenient and hygienic portable toilet ensures a seamless experience. Alpcore's large tank holds 10 liters of water, providing 50 bathroom runs. No electricity needed. The powerful piston covers 360 degrees for total cleanliness. Sturdy and comfortable, the seat holds up to 440 pounds. The lightweight and portable toilet is easy to take along. Use it in your truck or take it on a boat. The Alpcore toilet is extremely hygienic and made of heavy-duty materials that are odor and rust resistant. The anti-leak valve keeps liquids safely put away, while the rotating spout drains contents smoothly. You can also use the toilet for bedside use in your own home, a great option for surgery recovery. Alpcore, portable toilets for a portable you.
Introducing the Kaizen Pot Portable Toilet, the ultimate companion for your camping adventures. Say goodbye to uncomfortable emergency potty runs with this upgraded seat that offers increased bowl size and seat height for unparalleled comfort. The top half flush tank holds 3.2 gallons of fresh water, allowing for up to 50 flushes, while the 5.3-gallon waste holding capacity ensures fewer emptying trips. With a stronger cleaning system featuring an upgraded piston pump and T-type full-coverage water outlets, this portable toilet guarantees a cleaner bowl with 360 degrees cleaning action. Plus, the odorless and leak-proof design with 2 side latches and ceiling slide valve keeps your camping environment fresh and clean. Simple operation with a wastewater tank level indicator makes maintenance a breeze. Get ready to embark on your next camping adventure with the Kaizen Pot Portable Toilet. Upgrade your outdoor experience with the Fun Essentials Portable Toilet, the all-in-one kit that offers unbeatable value. Designed for adults, this kit includes a large folding toilet, a privacy pop-up tent, trash bags, and liquid waste gel chemicals, providing everything you need for a convenient and sanitary outdoor bathroom solution. The foldable design is easy to set up and store, with a compact size of just 22-inch when folded. The portable toilet boasts a higher and bigger size, with an increased height of 15.75 inches and a widened seat cover for enhanced comfort. The full-size privacy pop-up tent offers ample space for all your privacy needs during camping, outdoor showers, and more. With premium quality and affordability in mind, Fun Essentials Portable Toilet Kit is perfect for all your outdoor adventures, including camping, fishing, beach trips, hiking, and traveling. Get the best value for your money and enjoy a hassle-free outdoor bathroom solution with Fun Essentials. Introducing the Zingine Portable Toilet, the ultimate solution for your outdoor adventures. Designed with comfort and durability in mind, this newly designed elongated-shaped toilet provides a higher and wider seat, offering more sitting room and making you feel right at home even when you're in the great outdoors. With a sturdy construction that can hold up to 400 pounds, this portable toilet is suitable for everyone in the family, including adults, kids, males, females, and more. It's perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, beach trips, fishing, boating, and even for emergencies when you need a bathroom/restroom at any time. Setting up and folding down the collapsible toilet is a breeze, and it comes with 12 plastic bags for easy cleanup and hygiene maintenance. But that's not all. This portable folding toilet kit has multiple functions. It can also be used as a storage and seat combination, such as a trash can, small tool, and storage box. The Zingine Portable Toilet comes with everything you need, including 1 portable toilet, 12 toilet bags, a waterproof carry bag, and a user manual. Upgrade your outdoor experience with this convenient and versatile portable toilet. The Lotkey Portable Toilet is a classic choice for all your outdoor bathroom needs. The soft and comfortable seat plate, made of a molded wood core and long-lasting sponge, ensures a pleasant and comfortable experience. The skin-friendly and waterproof elastic PVS leather surface makes it easy to clean after use, adding to its practicality. The adjustable height feature allows you to customize the toilet to your preference, making it suitable for all ages. Constructed with stainless steel, this portable camping toilet boasts a sturdy and stable design that can hold weight up to 350 pounds. The slip-resistant rubber feet cover adds to its stability, making it reliable in various environments. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and store, making it a great choice for camping trips or as a car toilet during road trips. To use, simply put up the seat and attach a bag with a plastic ring, making it convenient to pack and clean. This portable folding toilet comes complete with a plastic ring, carry bag, toilet paper holder, and a roll of degradable eco-friendly plastic bags, making it suitable for both emergency situations and planned outdoor camping trips. Choose the Lock-Key portable toilet for a comfortable and hassle-free outdoor bathroom solution.